Acetonitrile, with the chemical formula CH₃CN, is a colorless liquid commonly used as a solvent in chemical laboratories. Its molecular structure consists of a methyl group attached to a nitrile group, giving it unique properties.
Acetonitrile is highly valued for its ability to dissolve a wide range of compounds, making it an essential solvent in the pharmaceutical industry.
It is also used in the production of rubber products, pesticides, and as a stabilizing agent in the manufacturing process.
Despite its benefits, acetonitrile must be handled with care due to its flammable nature and potential health risks if ingested or inhaled. As research advances, scientists continue to explore new and innovative uses for acetonitrile in various fields.
Understanding the properties and applications of acetonitrile helps us appreciate its role in modern science and industry.